Lockheed Martin has commenced the delivery of F-35 fighter jets equipped with the latest technology Refresh 3 configuration. The TR-3 configuration includes advancements in computing power, memory and sensors. The upgrades are expected to provide a significant boost to the operational readiness and combat capabilities of the U.S. military. According to Russian media and a statement from the Ministry of Defense, MiG-29 and MiG-31 fighters successfully intercepted two US B-52H strategic bombers, preventing them from breaching Russian airspace. The interception of two bombers can be seen as part of routine military operations and strategic posturing. The Indian Air Force is planning to equip its Sukhoi Su-30 MKI aircraft with Indigenous UTTAM active electronically scanned array radar. The UTTAM radar is an advanced radar system that incorporates gallium nitride-based components, offering improved range, performance and efficiency. Russian specialists have managed to capture and examine a new Ukrainian kamikaze drone equipped with a jet engine. The capture of the advanced Ukrainian jet-powered drone will give Russia a chance to analyze the tactical responses coded into the drone and possibly counter Ukraine's long-range drones more effectively.